Maverick Machining. We are unique. We are cutting edge.
In this industry, technology is constantly changing, and we change with it.
Quality is our first priority, and we'll do whatever it takes to get it out on time.
We design and fabricate parts for high-technology industries, oil and gas drilling and exploration, even aerospace.
Here at Maverick, we strive on teamwork. Every employee gets a say in how we do process and setups. Everybody's ideas are important to us.
I'm here to make sure everything runs on time. If we didn't have our on-time delivery, then our customers wouldn't come to us with the loyalty that they do.
Electrical discharge machining. CNC machines. We can make anything from metal, in any size. From parts that fit in the palm of your hand to components so big you need a crane to lift them.
We make the part right the first time with 0 defects.
In every case, it's about precision.
All parts leaving here do meet ISO certification.
From the design process to delivery, we have the systems to bring it all together. Quality. It's how we're winning over new customers every day. The world's most versatile metals. Monel, Inconel, stainless steel. It's about using the right material for the part so it performs in the field. Time is money. We understand that. That's why we have 2 strategic locations. We ship out from Canada and from Houston worldwide.
The best people.
We are Mavericks, every one of us. We aren't just machining components, we're crafting a new mindset. Perfection in every part.